Hey, this is Patrick Ryan with Sotheby's International Realty. I just finished some training with Sotheby's regarding the nationwide real estate settlement and the buyer representation agreement. So I just wanted to give you little details of this because you've probably heard about it online or on the news media or from your neighbor, and there was a lot of misinformation out there. So if you're a buyer and you're out looking at homes, going to open houses, you don't have to sign anything. You can go to as many open houses as you want and do not need to sign a thing. If some agent tells you you have to sign it because of the settlement, it's not true. However, if you do have an agent that's representing you and they're showing you homes, they have to have a buyer representation agreement signed with you. And that's a good thing. It lays out the agency relationship and spells out all the details of how they're going to help you search and find a home that you're going to purchase, which is probably the most expensive thing you've ever purchased and may take a while to do it. It details it all out in the form, and that's really important. So you have to have that. But if you don't have an agent and you're just looking, beginning the process, you don't have to sign anything. If you're a seller of property, nothing's really changed. The only thing is the compensation to the buyer's agent can't be put on the MLS, just has to be communicated, and compensation is always negotiable. It always has been. So if you have any questions, feel free to call me or shoot me an email. I'm Patrick Ryan with Sotheby's International Realty down here on the Monterey Peninsula. Hope that helps. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.